About this property located 8 miles from Southwest Florida International Airport, this Fort Myers hotel offers free airport shuttles and free shuttles within 3 miles. Its spacious and contemporary rooms offer free Wi-Fi. During their stay at Doubletree by Hilton Fort Myers at Bell Tower Shops, guests can swim in the tropical outdoor heated pool or work out in the on-site gym. The bright guest rooms are equipped with a refrigerator and coffee maker. Each room has a CD player along with cable TV. On-site dining is available at Shoeless Joe's Sports Cafe, which features a sports-themed menu and over 30 flat-screen TVs. Crown Plaza Bell Tower is less than 1 mile from Seven Lakes Golf Course. It is within 12 miles of Germain Arena and Florida Gulf Coast University. Couples in particular like the location. They rated it 9.0 for a 2-person trip.